Hey, my name's Jonathan Hairr. I'm from North Carolina, and I've taken many courses, implant courses that kind of go deep dive in the scientific basis of it, which is important in implantology. But I always felt when I left to go back home, I couldn't implement what I learned. Here at AIE, we spend 3 days didactic and then 3 days in the clinic, and I feel now that I've seen, felt, and with what we've done in clinic, I can take it back home and implement it and do cases that are very straightforward. Patients with abundant bone, overdentures, and simple premolar, lower posterior placement. And that's what this course has done for me. The people here are wonderful. Everybody that works here, the assistants, the front desk, the doctors are top notch, and they want to see you succeed. And they don't want you just to come and go. They actually, they encourage you, go ahead and get cases ready so that when you go home, you can actually implement what you've learned and put it to practice. So this is a 5-star place.